Hello, and welcome to the English Audiobook Library. Today, we have a special story for you. This story will help you practice your English listening and reading skills, and it will also inspire you to never give up on your dreams. Listen carefully. You can read the words on the screen as I speak. This will help you understand better and improve both your listening and reading at the same time. The story is about a young woman named Maria. She faced many challenges in her life, but she never stopped trying. Her story teaches us that persistence is more important than talent. Are you ready? Let's begin. Maria was born in a small village. Her family was poor. They did not have much money. But Maria had something special. She loved to learn English. Every day after school, Maria would sit under a tree and practice English. She had only one old textbook and a broken dictionary, but she studied every single day. Her friends did not understand. "Why do you study so much?" they asked. "English is too difficult. You will never be good at it." But Maria smiled and said, "Maybe I'm not good now, but I will be good someday. I just need to keep trying." When Maria was 18 years old, she took an important English test. This test could help her get a scholarship to study at a university in the city. She studied for 6 months. She practiced every day. She was ready. But when the results came, Maria's heart broke. She failed the test. Maria cried that night. She felt like all her hard work was wasted. Her mother came to her room and asked, "Will you try again?" Maria looked at her mother and said, "I don't know if I can. Maybe I'm not smart enough." Her mother held her hand and said, "Smart people fail too. The difference is that they try again." Maria decided to try one more time. She took the test again 1 year later. This time she studied even harder. She listened to English radio every morning. She read English books every night. She spoke English to herself when no one was listening. The day of the test arrived. Maria felt nervous, but she was also prepared. She answered every question carefully. When she finished, she felt good. 2 weeks later, the results arrived. Maria opened the envelope with shaking hands. She passed. Maria could not believe it. She read the paper again and again. She had done it. After one failure and 1 more year of hard work, she finally succeeded. Maria went to the university in the city. Everything was new and difficult. The other students came from rich families. They had studied English in expensive schools. They spoke fluently and confidently. Maria felt small. She made many mistakes when she spoke. Sometimes other students laughed. Maria wanted to go home. But then she remembered something her mother said. "Smart people fail too. The difference is that they try again." So Maria did not go home. Instead, she practiced more. She joined an English conversation club. She volunteered to give presentations, even though she was scared. Every mistake taught her something new. Slowly, very slowly, Maria improved. By her 2nd year, she was one of the best English students in her class. By her 3rd year, she was helping other students learn. Today, Maria is an English teacher. She teaches students in her village and in the city. She helps hundreds of people learn English every year. But Maria never forgets her difficult journey. She tells her students about her failures. She tells them about the time she wanted to give up. She tells them about the test she failed and the people who laughed at her mistakes. And then she says this: "I'm not special. I'm not a genius. I just never gave up. That's the only difference between me and people who fail. They stopped trying, but I didn't." Maria's students listen carefully. They feel inspired. They think, if Maria can do it, maybe I can too. And that is exactly what Maria wants them to think. What can we learn from Maria's story? First, everyone makes mistakes when learning English. Mistakes are normal. They are part of the learning process. Don't be afraid of them. Second, progress takes time. Maria studied for many years before she became successful. Be patient with yourself. Third, never compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Other people may seem better than you, but they also started at the beginning once. And finally, the most important lesson: never give up. Keep practicing. Keep trying. Keep learning. Success will come if you don't stop. Thank you for watching and practicing your English with us today. I hope Maria's story inspired you to continue your English learning journey. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be persistent. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the English audiobook library for more English learning stories. And leave a comment telling me, what is your biggest challenge when learning English? Keep practicing, keep believing, and never give up. See you in the next video.